Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Dahil wala naman pasok, kaya eto ay maglalaba ko ng aking sapatos. Ilang linggo ko na rin kasing hindi ito nalalabahan. Ayan guys, nakatapos na ako sa paglalaba ng aking sapatos. Malinis na ulit at maganda ng tingnan. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!